see the ways that we've grown apart? I don't like it at all. Do you see the ways that we've gone too far, drifting off of our course? And do you see the ways that we let plastic cover the ocean like snow?
Feeling the cruiser.
Snow it always melts with the seasons change in the summer. So the one's cold water, one was all before.
Out with the extra tracks.
Oh, how much is left to run? Lately,
Alright, here we go. Using the extra tracks.
I don't know where to lead it.
Get us out. You! Piece of piss.
Lately, I've been too busy to smell the bottle brush, just chasing laps around the sun. And I sat here and cried, so running from my eyes, just wondering how will I end up with you? And you just laugh and smile, shake your head and remind me that all good things can come true. Oh, how much is left to learn? Do you see the ways that we've gone too far? We need now more than ever before to come together, put our differences apart, stop drifting off of our course. Do you see the ways?
Currently checking out Lake Wabi, out for a walk, and the old bush track, may even see some finger. Lake Wabi, here we come. Alright, behind me, Lake Wabi. Absolutely spectacular. Check it out from the air.
Lately I've been worried, I don't know where to lay this, that I do belong. Lately I've been too busy to smell the bottle brush, just chasing laps around the sun. And I sat here and cried, so running from my
What a heck of a drive to get here. No, you're right. We can't come to Fraser without coming to Lake McKenzie. Let's check this out.
oh, how much is left to learn? I say, oh, how much is left to learn? I say, oh, how much is left to learn?
See what Eli Creek's made of.
I'm a phoenix in the water, a fish that's learned to fly. And I've always been a daughter, the feathers are meant for the sky. And so I'm wishing further for the excitement to arrive. It's just I'd rather be causing the chaos than laying at the sharp end of this knife. With every small disaster, I'll let the water still take me away to some place real.
Oh, champagne pools, here we come. Hey? Hey, mate.
Go when you're alone is where you go to rest your bones. It's not just where you lay your head, it's not just where you make your bed. As long as we're together, does it matter where we go? So when I'm ready to be bolder and my cuts have healed with time, comfort will rest on my shoulder. Now bury my future behind. I'll You'll be always on my mind.
Alright, we are now back from Fraser Island, and what a fantastic trip it is. If you haven't been, whack that on your list, and definitely a must see place. No, a must place to go. No, book it in. Simple. Currently doing some cleaning of the camper trailer, having a break at the moment. And you see in the background there. Yeah, got it all happening. Got it all happening. So, just for those that want to know, our campsite was Zone 8, Marloo. Fantastic. It's right up the top though. Zone 9's even further again. There are dingoes there. If you know about Fraser, you know about the dingoes. If you don't, stay within the fenced off areas, and you have kids, make sure you watch your kids at all times. The dingoes just stroll through. What else? Fuel prices. $2.36 is what we paid for petrol. $2.40 for diesel. So if you go there and you're taking a few jerry cans, maybe take a few more depending on the length of your stay. Beach driving, fantastic. Tides, you need to watch them. We almost got caught out on the way in. I hit a soft spot, the camper trailer slid sideways, got stuck, and basically pulled the vehicle to a stop as well. The water, great. Highly recommend Champagne Pools. I think it's called Champagne Pools. Yep. There's you would have seen some footage by now of that. What else? Eli Creek, another one. Lake McKenzie, freshwater. Inland tracks. The inland tracks are very, very bumpy. They are rutted. So if you're towing a camper trailer, I don't think it matters what size. If you're towing, if you've towed in the past, you'll know that camper trailers can make the bouncing of the vehicle even worse. So take your time, make your way through the inland tracks, just nice and easy. If you need any more info, just hit us up in the comments, and we'll answer those questions as soon as we get them. Enjoy!